Whether you have a limited growing space or just want to dress up those exterior walls, this no-weld DIY trellis is the perfect addition to your landscape. I always start any torch-based projects by setting up a heat-safe work table and checking the fuel status with Burns-O-Matic's fuel gauge. I'll be using the MAP Pro Fuel and Burns-O-Matic hose torch. Cut 2 pieces of an angled aluminum bar to the desired width of your trellis and drill 2 to 3 holes along one edge. On 2 flat aluminum bars, mark where you want holes drilled for the trellis wire to loop through. Be sure to drill your holes a 1/4 inch from the edge. Use a cobalt bit, but take your time doing the drilling. Overlay the flat pieces onto the angled pieces, like so, and lightly clamp it in place, using a speed square to ensure everything is straight, nothing is skewed. Now it's time for that hose torch. Remember to use adequate safety gear, such as leather gloves and proper eye protection. Heat up the aluminum until it's hot enough to melt your brazing rod. This may take a few minutes, and you may have to touch the brazing rod to the surface a couple times to see if it's ready. Do this for all 4 corners. After it has cooled completely, loop some picture frame wire through the drilled holes. You can do this straight across or create a crisscross design. Spray paint to the color of your choice and hang it on a wall or a fence using 2-inch by 2-inch wood as cleats. Secure with wood screws via those holes you drilled earlier in the top and the bottom piece. This trellis is going to look amazing when your plant starts to grow in. Just keep on training those vines and enjoy your amazing handiwork. I hope you'll follow me at Home Made by Carmona for more projects like this.